The Scalping Futures Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. Traders can download this valuable indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. And also, to learn how it works and how to use the indicator, they can read this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, it starts identifying and displaying buy signals and sell signals on the chart. The Future Scalping Indicator is one of the practical tools for identifying trend direction and also receiving buy signals and sell signals on the chart. Traders can use it when identifying the main market trends. For example, when the price is making higher highs and higher lows, or when it is making lower highs and lower lows, they can enter a position based on the trend direction. Here we see that the price is in an uptrend, and in this section there is a buy signal. It has become clear to us that we can enter a buy position here, set the stop loss behind the previous swing, and based on our trading strategy, either stay in the position until the next swing, or according to the risk to reward ratio, or remain in the trade until an opposite signal appears. Here as well, we can see that the price is making lower highs and lower lows, and here we have a sell signal. It has become clear to us that we can set the stop loss behind the previous swing. And based on a 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, or according to the system's strategy, or ultimately, we should stay in the trade until an opposite signal is issued, and after that, we exit the trade. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us, and in the first input, we can set the period length. See, it would determine the calculation steps for the price. The higher we set this value, larger and more major price steps are calculated, and the lower we set this number, the indicator signals smaller price steps. In the next parameter, we can also determine, based on this factor, the distance between the stop loss and the signaled position when the indicator identifies a position. How much it should be, which can be adjusted here based on pips or points. In the next parameter, we can also set the maximum number of candles for identifying and displaying buy and sell signals. By default, it is set to 1000 candles, meaning the indicator uses the last candle or the most recent one and goes back 1000 candles. It analyzes backward, performs its calculations, and displays the signals. In the next section, we can also enable or disable the alert status when signals are generated. By default, this section is disabled. If the alert parameter is set to false, the following options will not be functional either. But by enabling the alert parameter, an alert will also be sent to us when signals are generated. In the next parameter, we can enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. And by enabling this option, you must have already completed the relevant email settings in the Options section under the Tools tab. In this next input, we can also enable or disable sending alerts as notifications to the mobile phone. In the next parameter, we can specify the time interval between alert messages. By default, it is set to 4 candles, meaning when signals are generated. Exactly up to 4 candles after that, the alert will be issued for us and the signals remain valid. In this last input, we can also enter the alert subject or order message as we wish here. This indicator issues the signals for us in sequence. For example, here a buy signal is given, then a sell signal, and after that, again a signal. By end, a sell signal has been issued for us, and in this way, the signals are displayed for us, and it does not give us consecutive signals. We do not receive consecutive signals from this indicator and must wait for the next signal in the direction of the market trend, so that more reliable signals are issued for us and the risk of our trades decreases. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.